Welcome to the Team LORAX Concept of Operations video. In this video, we will cover pre-flight checks, mission demonstration, and post-flight analysis for the LORAX unmanned aerial system. Pre-flight begins with assembling the airframe. The wings are joined together via two carbon fiber spars and slid together snugly. The wings are lowered onto the fuselage over the mounting poles, and the servo wires are pulled through. The wings are fastened down with 10 30-second hex bolts and washers. The tail is assembled by attaching the horizontal stabilizer to the vertical stabilizer and bolting through. The process is repeated for the opposite side, and the tail is now complete. The tail booms are slotted into the wings, then secured with hex bolts and nuts. The labeled servo leads can now be connected to the flight controller. Ensure the battery is disconnected during this process. With the flight electronics in the fuselage and battery disconnected, the ESC leads can now be connected to the motor.
Seth is really proud.
Waypoint paths can be configured for the aircraft to fly autonomously via Mission Planner, or the operator can fly manually. A pre-flight brief is given to spectators to discuss the flight plan and reiterate safety precautions. After the throttle is disarmed, a quick thrust check can be performed. The aircraft can now be hand-launched. For beginner pilots, a stabilize function with the flight controller can be used to combat disturbances with wind. The UAS is very stable and is easy to fly. Real-time video is transmitted to the operator via headset. Optionally, 4K video data is stored locally on the payload camera and can be reviewed post-flight. Targets of interest are easily identifiable, such as this red barn. Even flying in winds greater than 15 knots, the aircraft can be gently glided into a belly landing. The battery is now disconnected from the airframe and connected to a LiPo charger. Video is pulled from the camera and reviewed. Adjustments to the waypoint paths are made, and parameters can be tweaked. After learning the concept of operations, you should now be able to operate the UAS from LORAX.